Okay, before we get to work on this Bentley, the good Bentley that has the bad frame, so kind of the bad Bentley right now, but still the good one, I still want to strip the rest of this off so that we can get the measurement. So let's get to taking this apart. So I need to get the measurements from this, so we know the measurements for that. And as you can tell, I'm really good at taking things apart. Not the best at putting them back together. We're trying to salvage everything that we can, make money on that to pay for this. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm thinking that I can remove this steering rack out of here, and I'm pretty sure it's just those two bolts right there. And then the steering rack should come out. There might be these lines connected, but I'm not sure if they cut them behind there because I can't really find where that they're going. So I'm gonna drop the steering rack, see if there's any lines or what's attached to it. If not, I could probably just disconnect it right there and it should be fine. So we're just gonna take out the steering rack. Oh, there's a steering rack on the inside. Okay, so I was completely wrong on where the bolts are for this. There's actually 3 bolts. There's one here, one there, and one on the back side. But after looking at this, there is something that I want to show you guys because there is the dreaded Bentley vacuum hose problem that goes on with this thing. And I'm gonna take the steering rack out and then let me show you. So these are the vacuum lines right here that run along over here and over here. Those are the common plastic vacuum pumps that just seem to go bad on Bentleys. And Bentley wants the motor out. Now, what I'm wondering is if you remove this steering column out of the way, you do have this little access port, which this is on here. It's held on by 15 millimeters. And then this one on this side, it's not gonna be easy by any means, but it does look like you can service it. I don't know, I'm really hoping I never have to do it. I could be just completely wrong. But I'm just gonna continue to keep taking off more and more stuff. Taking this air box apart, and for some reason I decided that I'm gonna take all this off, but I've been doing it all wrong because I'm pretty sure if you go in here, behind here there's some 10 millimeters. That's how you take out this whole unit. First I gotta disconnect all these wires because as you can tell there's a ton of wires. So I'm gonna start taking off that, rerouting them wires. Then I think all I have to do is take out those and a lot of this should come out. We're getting there.
Perfect.
This is absolutely insane. It's crazy. Like, this is so much wiring. I'm curious on how much that this wiring is gonna weigh. Like, there's wiring absolutely everywhere in here. I bet you that there's probably like, I don't know. It's a lot of wiring. And I wanted to show you guys this. You see right here, I really hope that this, I'm pretty sure, is the SRS module. And you're probably wondering, what is an SRS module? SRS module is like for your airbags when it blows up. A lot of times you got to get them reset. Now, I'm hoping that I can reset it just by using the computer because I haven't tried it yet on ours. But if we have to get to that, like, that thing is buried right there. I'll show you guys again, right there. So if you're working on a Bentley, let's hope that mine does not have to have that replaced, because that's not gonna be fun. And this is absolutely insane on the wiring. We're getting really close. I gotta take some of it out of the front, and then I think it all feeds through the fuse box. So if you're ever thinking about buying a Bentley flood car, don't. This is what the wiring looks like. So me being the complete nerd I am, I really want to know how much that this thing weighs. Why? I don't know. Why not? I don't even think that this is going to be big enough to put it in. Okay, so we got our scale. Don't tell my wife that I have this out here because she probably isn't gonna be too happy about it, but 83.8 pounds. Pretty crazy for that to be 83 pounds. Maybe guys don't care, I do. It's one of those type of things that you just wanna know. Please, please, please don't buy a flood one. I guess we're gonna find out if it's possible for this frame to be straightened and what is needed, because if he needs the frame rails off from that parts car, we have it. That's kind of why I bought it, chopped it in half. I already know that we're gonna need the frame horns off from here, which is fine, but I'd rather have it, take it to a professional, have it done instead of trying to do it, because it kind of is important, and I want this car to be right because I kind of really like this car. By the way, guys, this is some of the stupid shit that I do that you guys don't see on camera because let's just say I'm busy trying to figure out stupid stuff and don't have time. Wait a minute. So yeah, car, trailer, let's go. We dropped off the Bentley. Now I gotta hop in here. They're gonna be working on it, hopefully. I don't think it's gonna take too long, maybe in a couple days, come pick it up. So have a good one. Recently learned what happened to this Bentley and how it was crashed. Bentley's back in the garage and frame guy can't fix it right now.